going, everyone? I am currently working on a boat called Mini K. It is a 2019, is an extra, brand new 2019. Just arrived yesterday from Italy off of a big cargo freighter. And yesterday we moved it here to Port 32 in Fort Lauderdale. And now this morning we are taking it back up the river through all the bridges up to Akiva for the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show 2019. Stay tuned, I'll show you guys how we get down the river and pull into the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. Outbound Mini K 86-foot vessel passing LMC. Any concerned traffic, result back to 09. Davie Boulevard Bridge, Mini K.
Davie Bridge, good morning.
This is Mini K coming around outbound, requesting an opening.
Davie, good copy, stand by 9, please.
Copy. This boat is outfitted with 3 engines with pods, so each propeller can turn almost 360, enabling us to make this very tight turn. Thank you, 7th Avenue. You have a good day.
Okay, Captain, how's it going?
That's set. Andrews Avenue, Mini K.
Andrews Ave, copy, Mini K, stand by.
Copy that.
Caution, Andrews Avenue Bridge is now opening. All vessels remain outside the fender system until the bridge is completely open.
Third Avenue Bridge, Mini K. 3rd Avenue Bridge, this is Mini K. 3rd Avenue Bridge, Mini K.
3rd Avenue Bridge, 1 moment.
I just want the bridge to open, that's it.
It's not personal.
Yeah, exactly. I've only been calling you like 5 times, but it's okay.
You know, if you answer, it's okay.
Tied up at Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. Let's check it out. So like I was saying, we just arrived to Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. We've only been here for like 30 seconds and we already saw a boat run into the dock. So it'll be interesting. What is going on, everyone? It is a jump to the future. It is now Saturday the 26th, 4 days into the boat show. The boats have just been pouring in the last few days. So all the big boats on the outside are now docked, and we are just tightly packed in here. Like, there are boats bow to bow, stern to stern, port side to port, whatever. So all the tents are getting set up. Everyone is buffing, washing, and just cleaning these boats like crazy. We're just here trying to do the same thing. But yeah, I hope this showed you guys a little bit of how we got it up the river and at the boat show. I might be doing a little bit of videos on how the boat show is gonna go. But yeah, like, subscribe, comment. I'll be sure to be posting more soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one.